But we go out here and see what the fuck niggas do in the snow. So if you don't know what niggas do in the snow, I know what you're doing right now. You probably sitting your ass in the house. Right now you probably watching this video on Facebook, you know what I mean, YouTube or something, you know. But right now I'm goddamn getting geared up, you know what I mean? I don't know about you. Nigga, got my motherfucking waterproof goddamn polo boot, you know, the fur, you know what I mean? So we stay extra warm. I got 5 minutes. Oh. Got my motherfucking, see that shit down there? Insulated skull cap. You see how dumb motherfucking is to go outside in the snow downtown. Now we ain't got no wonders around here, so I don't know what it look like. I'm seeing the pictures on Facebook and online.
Super slick, don't give a fuck that you came in. When I see her in the club, on freeze up. Tell that ass fat, my dick harder than a free cup.
Live on P Street, man. I want folks in the jail that they doing. They probably looking down, probably cold as a motherfucker. It be cold as hell in the jail. And I'm going right over here to the motherfucking Greyhound station, right? I should have brought my pistol. Just in case a nigga want to get wrong tonight. Can't really see where you're going unless somebody was in a wheelchair came through here.
Not fun. They fresh too.
Hey man, only in Atlanta can you get a hustle in the middle of the snow.
Okay.
It look like about brand new too. They might be worn about once or twice. They ain't brand new, good boy.
Okay.
And I'll get 2 brand new sweaters with it. I don't give a shit.
I don't need the boots.
They're real thick.
This ain't my size. The meal, they don't hold long.
I'll get the homeless guy now. Alright, I'm gonna do the homeless bankhead J bounce for you.
Do that shit. You. Hey, you. Hey, baby. Nah, man, this ain't my side. What kind of side of jacket is right now?
Give me $10, you can have everything you got in your hand in this shop. This jacket brand new.
Everything brand new.
That's this brand new. They took it out the pack.
Yeah, that ain't my side. Roll, what size you wear that, boy?
I'm good.
You good? Man, if I ain't on my side, though, I'll die a little crazy. This on just big man sweater. I'll bullshit, that's big man sweater. But I do appreciate the time, you know what I mean?
You like the sweater, big dog?
It was. I don't know, like when them sweater Steven Seagal had on when he was up in the cabins and shit, you know what I mean? You go get some boots right here, baby.
You dread stack feet.
Hey, man. Give a shout out to Perfect Timing, man. Perfect Timing Media, man.